The unit tests which we take in J Academy or in any coaching class, the tests which are being taken, these are practice tests. They make you ready for the school's test. They make you ready for the board's test. They make you ready for the higher entrance tests. So why are you afraid for these tests? Hello student friends, greetings of the day. Hope you are doing well. Today I would like to discuss with you fear of test, fear of unit test, fear of semester exam, fear of any test. My dear friends, what is a test? A test is a practice. Imagine any player, a cricket player. A cricket player can play very good in the field if he has done a lot of practice. See, we many times see videos of Virat Kohli or many other athletes also who are seen doing lot of practice. See, this is the preparation behind the curtain. If you want to perform well on the stage, you have to do rehearsals. So these unit tests are nothing but rehearsals. So why are you afraid of the rehearsals? My dear friends, the tests which the school takes, unit tests, semesters, these exams, these tests are meant to make you strong. They are meant that you should know what are your weak points and you can prepare on them. The unit tests which we take in J Academy or in any coaching class, the tests which are being taken, these are practice tests. They make you ready for the school's test. They make you ready for the board's test. They make you ready for the higher entrance tests. So why are you afraid for these tests? See, these marks are not going to be counted in your board's exams. Are they going to be counted? No. But these are practices. So if suppose you are giving a test of 25 marks and you suppose get 16 marks, it means you know, oh, I lost 9 marks. So where did I go wrong? I can improve on those areas. I can do the topic again. But if you have not given the test, how can you know whether you got 16 or whether you could get 25 or whether you get 8 or 0 marks? So missing the test is the biggest mistake we are doing. Never be afraid of any test. The tests are like every day we eat food now. It's like that. Every day there is a test. See, I'll tell you, this life itself is a test. Every time nature, destiny throws tests on us, takes our test. Now how we are facing that situation, like suppose I am going on a scooter and my scooter got punctured. That is a test. Am I afraid that my scooter got punctured? No. I drive it. I take it to the nearest petrol pump where there is a puncture station. I get it okayed. The puncture is removed. Okay, I lost half an hour, but I faced the situation. I didn't keep crying for it. Suppose I met with an accident. Okay, no problem. I will see how I will overcome with the situation. See, life is a test. You should never be afraid of a test. You should be always prepared to give any sort of test. However tough the paper is, you should be able to give a test. Then you are a fighter, then you are a soldier, then you are a strong person. So never be afraid of tests. But when it is a test of academics, I think just going and giving the test is also of no use. You should prepare in advance that okay, the topic has been declared. Some sums are going to come from the topic called circles or trigonometry. 2, 3, 5, 6 hours before the test, every day 1 hour, every day 1.5 hours, whatever is possible for you, you should prepare for the test so that you are well equipped to face any problem, any situation, any type of numerical which is going to come in the test. And it's a practice. Okay, this time I gave the test, out of 25 I got 18, I got 19. I gave another test, I could do better. So in the earlier test when I got the answer sheet, I analyzed myself that okay, I got 18, it means I lost 7 marks. What type of mistakes I did? I could attempt less number of questions, or I did attempt every question but my concepts were wrong, my calculations were wrong. Okay, this I will not do next time. I will improve on these particular things. This is how you can improve. Never miss any test. In fact, I am of the opinion that you should give tests taken by coaching classes, taken by schools very frequently. You should give, you should 100% give. On the contrary, I would suggest I myself should make a small question paper and give a test of 5 marks every day. You put yourself to that practice and then you will become seasoned. Practice makes man perfect. So those students who are getting a fear, having fear of test, are afraid of test, take this very seriously. आप जिसको जितना डरोगे वो आपको उतना ज़्यादा डराएगा. आप डरो मत, फेस करो, उसको सामने जाके फेस करो, उसकी आंखों में आंखें डाल के देखो वो आपको डराना बंद कर देगा, वो आपका फ्रेंड हो जाएगा। जैसा एक कुत्ता होता है, आपके पीछे कुत्ता लगा, आप दौड़ोगे तो वो जोर से दौड़ के आपको पकड़ेगा। आप वहीं खड़े रहो और उसको वापस घूम के देखो, वो वहीं खड़ा रह के आपको इस तरफ भौंकने लगेगा, भौंकेगा भौंकेगा। आप जैसे ही खड़े रहोगे, स्टेबल खड़े रहोगे, थोड़ी देर के बाद वो चला जाएगा। हो सकता है वो आपके पास आएगा, आपको सूंघेगा, चला जाएगा, लेकिन वो आपके आंख पे नहीं आएगा। आप दौड़ोगे तो आपके आंख पे पक्का आएगा। इसी तरह से किसी भी डर का है, टेस्ट एक उसी में का एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल है। किसी भी सिचुएशन को डरिए मत, उसको फेस करिए। जब आप फेस करोगे, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ेगी और वो बंदा वीक पड़ेगा और आप उस पर विजय हासिल कर सकते हैं। इसलिए आज के बाद कोई भी स्टूडेंट ने कोई भी टेस्ट मिस नहीं करना चाहिए। टेस्ट माने प्रैक्टिस, टेस्ट माने एक छोटा सा अटेम्प्ट कि मुझे क्या आता है, देखता हूँ मैं। टेस्ट ज़रूर ज़रूर दीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।